So we're here with Russ LaCoste. Could you explain who you work for? And
we're SICPA, and we are ink manufacturers, security solution providers. Our greatest claim to fame is that we supply all of the ink for the United States currency. So we take that security technology that we use on the inks and products that we use on currency, and we're applying it to wine labels. We apply it to documents of value like passports, tax stamps, things like that. So we're here to meet the people in the wine business and talk to them about some of the issues in counterfeiting, diversion, black market, contraband.
Okay. And looks like you have some samples down here.
We do.
You mind maybe give us a little look here?
A little bit of a look. We take some of our ink products here and we apply them to neckbands, and we're using color shifting inks and inks that the consumer can verify in the field, easily identifying the product as a genuine. We also use encrypted information to be able to if a manufacturer of wine is interested in knowing where their bottles of wine are going throughout the marketplace, maybe diversion issues. It's also an authenticator of the product, but it also helps them track and trace the product through the market. Especially real important on the high end, where they don't want to control their channels of distribution. In this case, they have an opportunity to know if something's showing up in Costco and they don't want it to be in Costco, they know where it came from. So they can go back to the distributor they distributed to. So that's an interesting point.
Okay.
We also have inks. This is an ink called SICPA Oasis, and it's a color shifting ink that also we use a small verifying lens, so you can look at the lens and it changes color in the lens. Real great at the retail level to be able to identify products. In fact, in the state of California, we supply the state of California with all their tax stamps for their tobacco. And we use this technology on all the tax stamps for the state of California. In fact, it's been such a successful program in California for tobacco that we're bringing in about $150 million in extra revenue since they started the program, since they started the program 5 years ago. So that's sort of technology we could use on wine labels and things like that.
Excellent. And then more open-ended question, why wine?
Because I think it's the next great product to be counterfeited and have contraband problems and issues with. I'll give you an example. 7-8 years ago, there were no problems in counterfeit tobacco. None. There were no one in the world was counterfeiting tobacco. Now it's a global epidemic and a global problem. We see that moving into the wine business.